Good morning, students. Welcome back to our SS session. Today, we will start our new chapter, that is, Chapter 2, Ancient Civilization of the World. Let us see. When we learn history, we come across many civilizations. You must have heard about Indus Valley Civilization, the Egyptian civilization, and the Chinese civilization. But what is the civilization? What does it mean? While the word civilization is the right from the Latin word civis, means a city dweller. So, civilization has something to do with cities. Cities are associated with civilization. Cities generally have an organized society. People had different jobs. People use common language to communicate with each other in such cities. They have way to record information in written format. When early humans of the new Stone Age became farmers, they began to settle down in the areas next to their fields. Soon, this settlement grew into villages. As the people began growing extra crops, some of them could give up farming, take up other occupations such as pottery making, carpentry, and so on. Thus, these villages gradually grew and developed into cities. This was the beginning of civilization. So, the process by which a society or a place reaches an advanced stage of social and cultural development is called civilization. So let's see the main features of the first civilization. The first civilization developed in different parts of the world. There were some features common to this civilization. These are the following. All this civilization came up on the banks of rivers. The rivers provided water for irrigation. They also helped in transporting goods from one place to another. Second is the discovery and use of bronze among these civilizations has led to them being called bronze civilizations. They had well-planned cities where people lived and practiced various professions. All the cities had markets, and the trade of articles was common among people. Trade was also conducted with other places and civilizations. All civilizations developed a system of writing. So children, I hope you understood this topic very well. Thank you.